Hi, welcome to Next Sulfur Technologies, a house of e-commerce and dropshipping. In this video, I will discuss about product sourcing, from where you can source your products for dropshipping. Here, I just open Aliexpress.com. Here you can source any kind of products for dropshipping. So let's start our video. Suppose here I searching like product bag. Once I search bag, they shows me various kind of bags. From here I have to research which product is running and top selling in every market. So for this we have to check every store. Like this store is ad, so we should not count on this. It's also ad. So most of them are ads. Yeah, got it. So here this product is not bag. Yeah, this product is a jute bag, I think, tote bag. So it's already 984 piece sale. Another bag, this bag already 1919 piece sold. And another thing you should mind that is store rating 4.9. It's also 4.9. So we can choose these two bags. So let's enter in two bags, this one and this one. So from these two, I will research more options for dropship this product. So once I enter this product quality good is $7.90. It's $13.16. It's 932 reviews. It's 396 reviews. Its store rating 4.9. It's also 4.9. Look, it's 7.90, but shipping by AliExpress $7.79, but it's want free shipping. So you have to choose this product for drop shipping. So if I search this bag on where you would like to sell, like one marketplace, Etsy.com. In Etsy, I'm searching this bag. Messenger bag, any kind of word I can use. So let me search to get that kind of bag in here. It's very difficult to find that kind of bags in here. So suppose this bag is showing $195. Yeah, it's $195. If you source this product from AliExpress, I hope you will get this product within $40 to $50. So net profit is, if net profit 195.7, if you got this bag with shipping $50, so you net profit per bag $145. If you sell monthly 10 bags, so you profit $1,457. But usually as a drop shipper, you can sell at least 100 to 500 bags or products in each month in each marketplace. Like there are many marketplace in situation, eBay, Etsy, Amazon, but they don't allow drop shipping, so you have to work with them in technically, but that they don't identify that you are a drop shipper. So now from these two bags, this one and this one, we should import these two bags in any marketplace, but I recommend to import this product if you got this bag at $13.16, so you can sell this product easily $70. So if you got this bag at $13, so if you sell this bag at $70, so minus 30 per bag, $57. After charges deducted, then I think net profit will be $50. I think it's quite enough for a new dropshipper for selling as a newbie. So let's start with another product. Now I'm searching kitchen tools. Look, this product is also at first four, it starts to counter ads. After ads, then we can choose this product. 2249 is sold. This product 9135 is sold. You can choose this product, but I don't recommend because it's knife sharper. So don't sell on knife sharper products or knife related product as a dropshipper. As a dropshipper, you have to mind that you should sell on low risk item. Don't go for high risk item. If you go for low risk item, so it today or tomorrow it must give you profit, either today or tomorrow, but must be it will give you profit. For that reason, don't go for high risk item. Knife sharper is a high risk item, so don't go for it. So avoid it. You can go this item. It's too many sold, so avoid it. So yeah, it's a new product, barbecue kebab maker. You can go this product. It's $4.93, free shipping, already 900 is sold. Like in HC, I'm searching this product. Yeah, see this product $18.65, but in Aliexpress I'm getting this product at $4.93. If you communicate with seller, I think you will get it $4. I think you will get it $4. So if you got this product at $4, so in HC you can sell easily at $18.65. Okay, so if you sell this product at $18.65, suppose $18, if you got this product at $4, so your net profit $14. After charges $2, after charges is $12. So I think as a new dropshipper, $12 is quite enough for kitchenware item. But avoid few high risk items. Go for low risk item. Don't go high risk like sharper, glassware items. This kind of item I should avoid in the first stage. After 3 to 4 months or 6 to 8 months, then you can list this kind of item when your account aged, when you getting sales, enough sales, so you can list that time this kind of item. Your account will be low risk. You will not face any kind of issues on account. So in next lecture I will discuss about another topics. See you on next time. Thank you.